Hello everyone, in this video I would like to share about the tutorial in SketchUp how to make a modern, elegant, simple wall shelf. First of all, you have to make a wall right here. You can use a rotated rectangle and you can set about any size of wall thickness anyway. Then you can push the wall up until you get a proper wall height dimension anyway. You can set it's around 3000 millimeter and you can adjust it by using push or pull tools. Okay, then you can setting the wall width. It's around 150 millimeter right here. Then you can adjust it with a push and pull. Okay, this is a basic shape of the wall. You can adjust the length, width, and another dimension anyway. Then after that you have to make a basic object of cabinet. You can make a basic object of wall shelf with a rectangle or rotated rectangle. I prefer rectangle for this case. Anyway, you can see this is a rectangle. Then you can now offset it by the thickness as you want or as proportional as possible, and you can set the width of the shelf. Then you can duplicate it something like this. Okay, you can duplicate this wall something like this, and you can press move and press control like this. Press move and press control something like this, and then you can add some material like this. You can add some material. Okay, you can add some material like this, and I'm sorry, you can offset it. You can offset it again, and you can adjust the wall. You can adjust the shelf thickness in this way, and you can cut some unnecessary part of the cabinet so you can get more perfect shape of this shelf like this. And you can do this with a line and push and pull tool anyway. You can see this. Okay, this is a connection between another cabinet with a cabinet, and then you can move it on front side like this. You can move it on front side. Then you can adjust the size of the vertical shelf like right here. Then you can see this. You can delete it with a previous way to make it perfect. Okay, you can see. Okay, and then you can see this part. You can see this part. You can delete all of you can delete all unnecessary object like here. Then you can add some shelf. You can add some shelf right here. You can duplicate it with choose move and press control something like this. You can see the difference. Okay, now you can adjust the material like this material. You can use this black material on back side of the cabinet. Okay, this is for different material anyway. You can use this. You can use rectangle and just push it in front of object. You can use a rectangle again and push it in front of object again. Anyway, you can make a different material as beautiful as you can. Okay, you can make it equal with a width of material anyway, something like this. Yes, this here's this is about make it wall shelf and cabinet with simple and attractive material, with simple and attractive design. I mean, you can see this. You can duplicate all of object with a move and press control like this. Maybe. Okay. Okay. Maybe you can see the difference. But you can see the uniqueness about this cabinet design anyway. Please improve your SketchUp skill by making a lot more complex object. Then your skill can be improved automatically. Thanks for watching.